Hi there, Ads here from Herman's RV Holidays, and just recently Zoe and myself took Herman to the Caravan, Camping and Motorhome Show 2019 at the NEC. We spent the weekend there, and normally when we go to these shows we take a look at the motorhomes. However, this time we decided to take a look at the campervans. We wanted to find out why they are so popular and what was appealing about them. I know my way around a classic VW Type 2, you know, the bay windows or the split screen campers. And I just wanted to find out what the modern equivalent was like and find out why these campers are so popular. In this video we're going to be looking at the VW and Ford campervans. First up is the VW Grand California 600 at £65,000. So we're going to start at the back in this one. Looks quite tall actually. Got a camera on the top there. Plenty of bed space. Spring mounted are being pointed out. Is that unique to campers?
I have no idea.
Loads of space for there's cabinets on the right there, and a storage area under here as well. And obviously the light is useful too. But there is a queue to get in. So looking at the outside, we have a step here. Obviously they've got a replacement step here for the moment. Up here we have a charge point and satellite connection. This thing is a bit of on the slope. I would like to put my phone on there while it's charging, if I was outside of course. Alright, so as we go in here, this leather seating? No, it's not leather seating, looks like it in this light. That looks very comfortable though. Loads of headspace, look at this. Loads of headspace. I'm not too sure what that is, but up here looks like the bed. I've just seen somebody pull this out. Oh, there you go. Ooh, I'm going to have a struggle pushing that back in now. Oh no, that is very easy. Nice big roof light up there. And then we have a bathroom in here. Oh, the light comes on. Nice touch. A wet room. It's got to be the sink. Very simple sink, but that's all you really need. And a tiny little roof light up there, which is plenty of. Just plenty to get rid of any water vapour. Not a lot of storage space then here though. But let's look around the rest of the motorhome. Oh, that looks like some sort of aircon and all that kind of malarkey. Oh wow. Loads of headroom still, no step. But then we have lots of room around the outside. Whoa. Power assisted cupboards. And then we have this one which is not locked. They're not very deep though. I guess that's the awning just behind that. So let's have a look at the other side. Now we've got this panel as well. It's deep. I can imagine you could lose something behind there. Not too sure what this gap's for. Oh, a little bit of a put a bar across that, and that is a hanging wardrobe kind of thing. Nice furnished walls here. That'll keep the dampness out. Nice and keeping it cosy inside. Now then, the kitchen area. My back is right against this bathroom door, but we have 2 hobs and a dinky little sink. No oven, but we have some storage space. There's your gas taps, and then more storage area. Cutlery drawer. Probably put something down there, but I don't know what yet. And no idea what's behind that. But yeah, it's pretty good. Well, this is the Ford Summit. Let's take a look. So this one is 52,000. Now I didn't know that Ford did campers. The inside is
amazing. So some very stylish black leather seating there. That's got to be the fridge. Tiny thing. In fact, let's step inside. I don't know why I'm pointing. What do we have in here? Oh, a drawer. Right, that's locked. No, vent. Don't know how this works. And in here we have our sink, 2-hob stove, electric point and all that kind of thing just there. Some storage area up at the top. And I'm actually standing up now. Got a nice view outside, there's Zoe. But yeah, then we have this. This has got to be the roof, of course, when it comes down. And this is the seating area for the passengers. And you pull that out and then fold it out to turn into a bed. So a very compact, very stylish camper. And I guess you can also, because it's just a van, size of a car, you can also drive around town and not have to worry about getting another car for other trips and going to work and whatever.
48,000.
I'm just taking a look at this.
It's got glitter on the floor.
This looks like no, that is the cassette. That's the toilet cassette, I do believe. I'm not going to get that all out in case it is. Assuming somebody be using it. Oven, something we haven't got in Herman. Back here we have more storage space. Well, that goes all the way back down there. Do worry about that, losing things in little cubby holes. Oh, I don't know what. Oh, no, there you go. It's just a. Something that's broken, I think. But let's go outside and take a look around the back. I like the colour, very nice. I think the majority of the campers of this style are all very similar. We have the bed, of course. It turns into a rear bed at the back, I think. A rear seat at the back. But they're all very similar design. And now I can't lift it up. Oh, that's a bit tough. And in here we have a little cubby hole for extra stuff. And then we have the gas bottle. That is the location of the gas bottle. Is that a refilling point? Possibly. So it is a very stylish, very bright and orange. I mean, look at the wheels. They're very nice, aren't they? I think this is a competitor to the VW of a similar size. But that is quite a nice camper. Something you can have on your drive and not worry about taking up all that space.
So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. We normally vlog our travels around Britain and Europe in our motorhome. I'm going to leave some video cards for you to click on so you can go directly to some of the tours that we've done. In a few months' time we'll be doing the West Atlantic Way in Ireland, so if you don't want to miss that, please do subscribe and ring that notification bell. But before you go, don't forget to rate this video, give it a thumbs up or thumbs down if you like. If you feel that you have something to say about this video, or maybe you've actually got one of these campers, or you're intending to buy one of these campers in the near future, drop us a message in the comments section below. We'll be very interested in hearing from you. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.